well coming in at this point in time. And this is some good news for India. Bhagavad Gita and Natya Shastra, in fact, have been added to UNESCO's Memory of World Register. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has reacted to this big development. Prime Minister Modi has called it a proud moment for all Indians. And remember, viewers, India now has got about 14 entries in UNESCO's prestigious Memory of World Register. Let me straight away go across to my colleague Mohit Bhatt, who continues to be with us right now for more on this story as well. Mohit, bring us up to speed with the importance of this development, because Prime Minister Modi has also called it a proud moment for all Indians.
Well, yes, in fact, and Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, the Culture and the Tourism Minister, first tweeted that it's an historic moment for Bharat's civilizational heritage. The Srimad Bhagavad Gita and Bharat Muni's Natya Shastra are now inscribed in UNESCO's Memory of the World Register. Now, this global honor celebrates India's eternal wisdom and artistic genius. Now, with this, now we have 14 inscriptions from our country on this international register. So that was the news that was being put forward by Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, and now we see that how Prime Minister Narendra Modi has come out, and he has also taken to the social media platform, and he says that it's a proud moment for every Indian across the world. The inclusion of Gita and Natya Shastra in UNESCO's Memory of World Register is a global recognition of our timeless wisdom and rich culture. So we see that how this inclusion of Gita and Natya Shastra into UNESCO Memory of World Register, the Prime Minister has also tweeted. We have seen that how Gajendra Singh Shekhawat has also tweeted and said that it's a very moment of pride for the Indians, and with this we have total 14 inscriptions that are registered in this particular prestigious UNESCO's register. Back to you.
Right, and also Prime Minister Modi in this post that he has put out mentioned, Mohit, that Bhagavad Gita and Natya Shastra have nurtured civilization and consciousness for centuries, and now they are getting recognition from around the world as well. In fact, they have always been considered as pillars of India's intellectual and cultural identity. So it's an important moment for India. Thank you very much, Mohit, for the moment, for joining us with your inputs on the story.